What's up? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm a little bit croaky. I'm up at Bright Hot Rod Run and I'm a little bit dusty. It's day 3 Sunday, but I've got a mate who said, why have you done a video on bloody Frank Portelli's bloody GT and Swartzy's Tirana? He goes, you're up in Bright, come check out me GTs. So I'm here at another mate's joint. Al, what's going on, mate?
Welcome here.
Welcome here.
Yep.
I had a few beers up here last time we were here in Bright, so he goes, you better come up and check out me GTs. What do we got?
Well, we've got two, as you can see.
Well, it's rude to, it's not good enough to have one, so you gotta have
No,
two.
that's right. Yeah, that's right. This one's a January 70 Windsor Auto. When this car was coming down the assembly line, it must have got till Christmas. So it's a 69 GT.
Yep.
But it was plated and came out in 70 after the Christmas holidays.
Yeah.
And the first, some people tell me it's all January cars. Some people tell me there was 6 or 7. I don't really know. But they went from putting a little plate there where you can still see the holes for it.
Yep.
To up on the tower, on the firewall.
Yeah.
And the first, however many,
Put it on
sideways. So you can stand there and
read it. I'm not going to show you all
read
these details. You don't need to see what it is. It's a genuine GT.
And from all accounts, the foreman came along and said, "What are you doing?" And anyway, they made him turn it back around. So
it's a little bit of
it's
history
actually a
on
mistake.
So that's the way they're meant to be, but
no, that's the way
they should have.
that the blokes just started doing it.
Yeah.
But they were meant to be the other way. Like,
They were lazy.
Yeah.
Typical Aussies taking a shortcut.
Yeah. They thought you could read it better from the side, but obviously it's not true.
No, she does look like she's had a few Ks under her belt under here.
Yep.
Still very clean.
Yep. It's it's pretty original, this one. It's got, there's not much that's been done to it under here. That's got genuine rat's piss.
That's better than barn find dust rat's piss.
Yeah. That's a added extra. And not many got it.
That's a rare option.
Yes, it is. This one's still running all the original coil and manifolds and
Yeah, no, that's cool. Very cool.
and it'll drive all day and sit on 180 degrees. Yeah, just beautiful.
Love it.
That's
I love you when you cruise down to Winton to watch me drift the XY, and I've got a couple of photos. If I can find them, I'll throw them in here. And yeah, it was cool having the XY GT drift car mock-up piece of crap LS heap of dirt next to this genuine beast.
I've had it about 8 years, I suppose. I've sat in the shed for 20.
Yep.
And I bought it and just tidied it up. It's pretty original. It's had one overspray at one stage and it's deteriorated a bit, but I just like it, so I'm leaving it.
Yeah. Patina, drive it.
Yep. And
then we've got the Rambles race car over here.
Got the Brambles car. I've had that since 1998, so what's that, 25 years?
Yep, and it looks disgusting.
Yes, yeah, I've got to fix it up a bit. But yeah, and I've just maintained that since I've had it, and it is what it is today. It's not the best condition car out there, but it's good enough for me.
But it's got the Clevo.
And that's got the original Clevo in it.
But you're like, nah, it's my car, because he told me he's hodded the matching numbers motor up. It's like, Mackie, I don't give a stuff. Back when cars were cars, though, you just did the motors up.
Well, you can't, when I lift the bonnet, you can't see that much has been done to it. I've used Scott Cook heads and manifolds, and really, if you look under there, it's only extractors and a 850 double pumper that you see. It's even got the yellow top yellow top coil.
Yep.
And still running twin point distributor.
All right, well, we'll get the cars out. I'll do some glamour shots as we normally do, get my head out of the camera, take them for a run, and see how we go.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, mate, we've got this beast out. Haven't driven it yet, but give us a lowdown.
The car itself, I bought off my brother in 1998. He got it in 1991. He only sold it because he found a phase 2, which he's still got. This one was restored years ago, and we've just maintained it.
Yeah.
So it's not in most it's not immaculate, but it's
Yeah, but you drive
good
it.
enough.
Have a look at the chrome, mate.
Yeah,
You,
yeah,
you actually drive this beast.
yeah, yeah. Well, there's no point sitting them in the shed, you know.
Can't drive them when they're dead, that's what they say, isn't
No, I
it?
can't drive them when I'm dead either.
Well, Daniel's not going to get this car. I think you're going to leave it to me, aren't
Yeah,
you?
well, I don't think he wants it.
Yep, I'm getting it, Dan.
Yeah.
Stuff you, bud.
Yeah. So yeah, and I've repainted the bonnet and redid the black, and even though there's shit all over it, and just maintained it. The motor got very smoky or
Tired.
oiling up plugs.
Yeah.
So I decided to rebuild it, and we're going to do it stock, and then it went from one to another, and ended up stroking it. It's the original block. Stroked at 393, Scott Cook heads and manifold, hydraulic roller cam, all the good bits inside, and 850 double pumper.
So what I'm finding out is all these guys that own genuine GTs are all bloody putting strokers in them.
Yeah. It seems to happen. And it came in on the dyno in the factory. It got built in Bendigo at Advanced Engine Dynamics.
Yep.
Rod Rainford, and it came in with shit extractors at 555 horse, and he said put another 20 on that with if I wouldn't give him my extractors. I didn't want to cut my exhaust.
Yeah.
So yeah, and that's probably where it is.
Oh, bloody awesome.
3-to-1 diff. I put 31 spline axles in it, and
Yeah, so she's tricked up for skids.
yeah,
Not that we don't do skids in this car.
not allowed to. Down
You're not going to do skids this weekend. I don't know if you've seen any of the hot rods and street machines coming past, but yeah, she's a pretty wild weekend. Yeah, anyone watching, I'm actually after a set of XY seats for my car, so if you know any and you don't want drug money for them, hit me up. I want to drive the XY and not have it look like a race car so much this. A little bit harder than Cecil's old clutch.
yeah, it's terrible, isn't it? Do they have to make them that bad, like that strong?
Has to go with all that crazy horsepower you got.
Yeah, but I reckon a twin plate would have been just as good.
How low is she? Not too bad.
No, this one's not too bad. The other one's a bit lower. I was just going to say, we'll be able to tell if you're a GT driver or not. I had an XP that colour.
What colour's that?
Something rather blue, obviously.
Which way are we heading?
Go that way. That's what I used to race at Winton.
Whoa. Slow gear change. Yeah, your clutch is real high too, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Something about that colour on the bottom, mate, looks bloody unreal.
Oh, it does. And in some lights, it looks really grey. First time they did it was like a blackboard, and I didn't like it, so I made him do it again. It's really easy to drive, like on the road, isn't it? It's not.
It's but it's very true. Like I'm finding it's easy to
Steer.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's quite direct.
Yeah.
It's my XY lefty righty.
Go left if you want.
My XY is way harder. There we are, there's the clutch point.
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah, she's got a bit of going first.
Yeah. Third's a gear, like the third actually scares me sometimes.
That's when you like hold on
Yeah.
a private road doing 140 mile an hour.
Yeah, well, this road, it's bumpy.
Yep, far out. I love this car. This is what I'm saying. If I got a set of seats in mine and give it the new look, I'd just be able to cruise it.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
It just feels like I belong here.
Yeah.
It just feels natural.
I really like your car.
Well, maybe I'll give her a run back to Melbourne tomorrow, 4 hours.
Just see how it goes.
I love private roads, they are awesome. Thanks for letting us come up here, cancel. All permits is signed and approved. You're welcome. That is good.
I like the sound of it too.
I thought you're not going to be the guy to tell me not to pin it. You're going to be like, get into it, Mackie. They need to be driven hard. There's Marty's car go compared to this, like
Which one?
the phase 2.
Oh, this would beat the phase 2
Chop it down.
quite easily, and he's got a very fast XW GT silver one.
Oh, does he? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that was there when I come up and saw you last year.
Yeah, and that would beat this, I reckon.
They got a stroker in it as well.
Yeah, 427.
And that's top loader manual.
Yes.
Now, what a great little arvo here in Bright, and this is how we're going to finish off this video. Drink responsibly, drive responsibly, like, comment and subscribe if you want.
Got to drive responsibly.
That's it. Have a good one. Alright legends, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you go check all our other vids on Hector, Xyynot and all the other builds and some crazy stuff going on. We've got a pre-sale order on our Xyynot merch. We've got t-shirts at 25 bucks, hoodies at 60 bucks, stickers at 5 bucks, stubby holders to be confirmed. Order on Facebook or Instagram, inbox me on that or DM me, slide into my DMs. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You won't. I'll see you in the next one. I'm starting to think that all my other videos with flybys, you're going to have to step up because Al is putting on a clinic here for you guys. You're bloody welcome. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more of these genuine GTs. I've been lucky enough to know all these guys that I've done so far besides Frank and Phil, but it's leading on to all these other cool cars. So hit me up if you want a car review. It's not professional, it's just something cool on your car.